Well, guess what's just arrived in the post? This. As you can see, it's very well packaged. What's this here? A magazine. Oh, that'll be interesting to read. So here's the rod. A bit of bubble wrap to get through. Isn't very long. Very well packaged. Oh, would you look at that? Tenryu Injection SP73M. Nice. So this rod is a bit of a grail rod for me anyway. It's 2.21 meters in length. It's got a casting rate from 5 to 28 grams. The rod weight is 135 grams and it's a two-piece. Let's have another look. So here we go. Oh yes. Hopefully it's a two-piece. Hope it doesn't come out in three pieces. Wow, look at that. That is sweet. So she's got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 guides. Couple of neoprene rod holders. Very nice. It's very light, super light. Tenryu Injection. Well, it's been a long time coming, this one. This feels awesome. So that's it, folks. Just a quick look, unboxing video, my first one. Tenryu Injection SP73M lure rod. Can't wait to use this one. Alright guys, thanks a lot. Bye. Wow. Tenryu Injection SP73M, 2.21 meters in length, line rating of 6 to 20 pounds and a casting rating of 5 to 28 grams, made in Japan.